let's see how it looks like. Perfect. Your tea is ready. Hello friends, this is Anubhav. Today I am going to show you how to make a VFX on video using PowerPoint. So first, let's go to Insert and select Video. Take what you want to choose. Let's select here all files. I'm selecting this one. Now let's see how this video looks like. Here, transparent water is body. Now, my plan is to make tea from water. So, I'm making a new freeform shape. From here to give the color effect. Select the more gradient fill, preset gradients, and I am selecting this one. So I am going here. Select here dark red, but we don't want this. So let's go to more colors. And select this. Remember, there should be no outline. No. I'm making it a bit darker here. And I'm changing the gradient here. This. And set its transparency to the white transparency to 20%, and this one to only 10%. Let's go to soft edges. Set it take no. This 10.1. I'm making it a little taller. Delete this one. This time, select this one, go to animations and select play. And yes. And it is there. This is the duration 11.98. I'll select here wipe. The duration should be 11.98. 8 seconds. Check another thing. Let's set what are the start options with previous. So let's see how it looks like. I'm going to make this bit faster. Check. Perfect. Here is another trick. We can add here a tea bag moving here. I'm selecting a picture such as this. Select crop. Let's select crop. If you are happy, again select crop. Let's cut a color. Color, set, go to color, select set transparent color, set transparent color, select here. Yes, it is not transparent. Remember one thing, let's bring the T to the front layer. Another thing, let's go to animations and add a custom part for them. But here is a problem. So let's check this time. Let's set its delay to only 6 seconds. There's a problem. Again problem. Let's set it to which previous. Check. Check. No. Set it to 6 seconds. Let's check. Perfect. Another thing. Go to animations, add animation, fly out. Let's select two top and set its duration to 5 seconds. Start with previous. let's go to the animation pin. I want to make it start from 8 seconds only. Okay. Now let's check. Perfect. And another thing, we get to make it a bit smaller. Check. Perfect. Let's see how it looks like. Perfect. Your tea is ready. I hope friends you like this video. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and for now bye bye.